American Express. I am struggling financially. Is there a program that you can assist me with making payments on my account? They do have a hardship program. Capital One, can't pay your credit card bills. Right there, Capital One has a program. Discover, what is credit card debt forgiveness? Discover has a program. Chase, what happens if you can't pay your credit cards? Chase has a program. And debt collectors, what can I do if I'm experiencing a financial hardship? So don't let anyone fool you. These companies have financial hardship. Getting the 1099-C to cancel your debt from an original creditor or debt collector, this is real. This is real, but it is not the way that people have described it on YouTube or TikTok and some of those other platforms. Those people do not know what they're doing. They're just making videos and they're going off of theories. I've done this for literally hundreds of my clients, and I'm going to show you proof here. And then if you keep watching this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this information so you can start potentially having some of your debt canceled by either original creditors or debt collectors. So first, I want to show you a letter. This was recently received from a client who we worked on to get this done. This is 12/4/2023, so not less than a month ago. So it says here, thank you for providing the details in regards to your situation. We are sorry to hear of your financial difficulties, the financial difficulties that you are currently experiencing. Based on a thorough review of your situation, you qualify for our hardship program. So that's the key word. You qualify for our hardship program. So this does exist. It does not exist the way that these other people on YouTube or different platforms are telling you to do it. As a result, we will no longer pursue collection activity on this account. We may continue to report it, the account status, to the credit bureaus, which may reflect on your credit reports. However, $600 or more of the debt is discharged. Whenever $600 or more is discharged, they have to report it to the IRS. They may be required to report it. They are required to report it. I can tell you that they will do that, but it will be able to be waived, and I'll tell you that in a minute how you can get that done. So right here, this is proof that it can be done. You do not fill out a 1099-C form and send it to them and expect them to have it discharged. That is not going to happen. I'm about to explain to you how you do it so you can do it the right way. Okay, before we get to showing you how to do it, this is another one that was done for a client, $36,248.30. This is the original creditor. This is not done by the way that people are claiming to do it on YouTube or the other platforms. This is done the right way, utilizing a method that I created that works right with the system of every company. The company chooses to do the 1099-C cancellation of debt. Here is proof, $36,248.30. Here's another one with the original creditor, American Express, cancellation of debt, $6,327.86 and $1,697.67. So now let me ask you this question. How would you feel if you had a debt that was $6,327.86 with your credit card company, and they forgave the debt, did a 1099-C cancellation of debt? How would you feel? Now, let's just say that you had $50,000 worth of credit card debt or any debt that is unsecured, and they wiped away, let's just say they wiped away half of it. How would you feel? Do you think that you would have relief, that you have a feeling of relief, and that potentially you might be able to work out the rest with the remaining amount? Maybe, maybe not. But here's the deal. If you know how to do it, what to do, what to say, how to send it, who to send it to, do you think that your chances of getting a 1099-C would be greatly increased. Here's the deal. I get upwards of 100 to 200 emails, live chats, requests on Facebook, requests on TikTok, asking if we can help them with the hardship, medical and financial hardship with the 1099-C cancellation of debt consideration. What I've done, because I cannot help everybody, and the fee for us normally ranges from $500 to $1,500 depending on how much work needs to be done. But what I've done here is I've just put together a short, straight to the point program that will show you exactly what to say, who to say it to, and how to do it to get your 1099-C cancellation of debt consideration into the hands of your creditor or a debt collector. So all you have to do is below this video, there's a link, and that link will take you to show you everything that you need to know so you can get started.